Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini in mobile. First, download the Gemini app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing all of Gemini's features and saving your conversations. You'll then see the main chat interface, ready for your first prompt. Interacting with Gemini is straightforward. Simply type your questions, commands, or creative prompts into the text box at the bottom of the screen. If typing isn't convenient, tap the microphone icon to use voice input, speaking naturally. You can also upload images directly from your phone's gallery for Gemini to analyze, asking questions about what's in the picture. Gemini offers more than just basic chat. Dive into the settings menu to customize your experience, adjusting preferences like dark mode or notification alerts. You can easily review and manage all your past conversations, picking up where you left off. Also, explore extensions to integrate Gemini with other Google services, enhancing its capabilities for tasks like planning or information retrieval. To get the most out of Gemini, remember a few key tips. Always be clear and specific with your prompts. The more detail you provide, the better the response. Don't hesitate to experiment with various types of questions, from factual queries to creative writing tasks. Providing context in your prompts can also significantly improve the accuracy and relevance of Gemini's answers, making your interactions more productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.